Hi, so in today's video we're going to be looking at ways in which we can talk about days, because in Xhosa there are 3 different words for days, so we'll look at all 3 of these words and the different expressions in which they are used. So the 3 words for day are imini, usuku, and umhla. The first 2 I would say are the most general words for day. Umhla means date generally, but it is in certain expressions also the word for day. And in the way I've written these words here with the dot after the prefix is just so that you can see the stem of the word mini, and the prefix. Basically, mini is like noon, which is why the word for afternoon is emva kwemini. We'll see in the next slide. But it's also used for day. So imini is the singular and imini is the plural, the days. And what I put in brackets is your subject concord. So if you wanted to say the day is, you would say I, like injani imini, etc. Or the days are zinjani imini. Then we have usuku, which is probably the most common word for day, usuku, and the plural intsuku, days. And this word usuku has lu in the as a subject concord. So if I want to say how is the day, lunjani, etc. And z, the plural, is the same prefix. And then we have umhla, meaning day or date, and the plural imihla. So some examples of usuku, which, as I said, is probably the most commonly used form. Lunjani usuku lwako namhlanje. How is your day today? What does your day look like today? Lunjani usuku lwako. Belunjani usuku lwako. How was your day? Belunjani usuku lwako. Usuku lwam beluluhle. My day was good, was beautiful. Usuku lwam beluluhle. Usuku lwam ndiluchithe ngokufunda isiXhosa. I spent my day studying isiXhosa. So the verb for to spend a day would be ukuchitha usuku or chitha imini. And here I spent it ndiluchithe because the it is lu in usuku. And another common expression, ulonwabele usuku lwako. Enjoy your day. Ulonwabele, enjoy it with a lu sound from usuku. And then your day, enjoy your day. And the plural, intsuku. So if I want to say many days, I would say intsuku ezininzi. So this ezi is just a connector for adjectives and what do I want to say? Relative clauses. The days that are. Okay, so in Xhosa you have these relative clause connectors, and for ezi is a very common one because it's the most common plural class of nouns. And then the ending ninzi would be many. Intsuku ezininzi. If I had the ending mbalwa, which means a few, I can say a few days. Intsuku ezimbalwa. I can also use the Xhosa numbers with this. To say, for instance, 2 days would be intsuku ezimbini. Or 3 days, intsuku ezintathu. BendiseKapa intsuku ezimbini. I was in Cape Town for 2 days. Ngezontsuku or ngezomini would be in those days. So there you can use either the intsuku or the imini. And kule mihla means these days. So just in the expressions in those days and these days, we'll have all 3 words for day. But they are required, like you see mihla for these days and you wouldn't use intsuku for these days. You just say kule mihla. So, imini and imini. As I said before, it literally means noon. So the word afternoon would be emvakwemini. Emvakwa meaning after. Emvakwemini, after the noon, afternoon. And here we can also say enjoy your day using imini. Uyonwabele imini yako. You might have heard minemnandi kuwe in the song Happy Birthday. It's a way of saying happy birthday in Xhosa. Minemnandi kuwe. Kuwe meaning to you. Intle imini yanamhlanje. What a beautiful day. So, intle, it is beautiful. Imini, the day. Yanamhlanje, of today. Zonke imini zobomi bam. This is a line from a song by Bongeziwe. I can add it in the description if you want to listen to it. Basically, this line means all the days of my life. Zonke imini zobomi bam. And some common expressions also with day would be every day versus all day. Here we have imini yonke, which is all day. Yonke meaning all of or the whole. So imini, the singular, it's the day and it's the whole day. Imini yonke. Ndimamela umculo imini yonke. I listen to music all day. Yonke imihla is every day. And here we have the plural of umshla, imishla, the days, and yonke meaning all of them. So all of the days, in other words, every day. Ndiya emsebenzini yonke imishla. I go to work every day.